Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to virtual learning, which we will be referring to ourselves as ePirates. And this, since we don't really have a physical classroom, this is our classroom. And each morning I'll send it out through our Google Classroom so that you have it. And if you click around the classroom, it will take you to sites, different sites we'll use throughout the year, like Google Classroom right here on the computer. You click on it and it will bring up the link to go straight to the Google Classroom. Up here, I have a little pirate ship, which will have all our Zoom meeting expectations, so you can check that out. This little apple right here will take you to Go Noodle, so if you want to have a brain break and get some exercise in, get moving a little bit between different work, you can click there. I have a link to Prodigy for some math practice. Epic Books is awesome. If you are running out of books at home to read and haven't made it to the library, you can check out Epic Books, and there's so many books for you to check out. Down here on these books, we have a link to Raz Kids, which also has more books and where I will be putting some assignments for reading. Here on the calculator is a link to MathFacts Pro, which we'll be using each day to help you get those multiplication and division facts memorized. And then I have me, and I'll probably be adding more links throughout the year as I find what we're using the most. And again, I will link this each day to our Google Classroom. I can't wait to meet everybody. It's going to be a new, interesting year, and we'll figure it out together. Can't wait to see you on Monday.